So this is a mouthwash. And I got you a cute toothbrush. Because your mouth is kinda stinky. One of the first things I've noticed, even at the airport, was the scent from her mouth. I didn't know how to bring it up, and I don't think she realizes it. But I friggin' do. And then I got you a good toothpaste.
Okay.
Do you know that? My concern is your health. Because if you have diseases in your mouth, I can easily become infected. You can get sick. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
I know what you mean, but this is from my stomach, not my teeth. I have an ulcer, you know.
Oh, you have an ulcer? Well, this is awkward.
Always toothbrush.
So now you tell me I understand. From my heart, I care about you.
I know. I'm so insulted that I want to give a punch to Head. And I feel embarrassed. I think Ed is a rude person. If Ed truly loved me, he needs to accept me for who I am.
I love you.